You hold on for a second?
It's so funny, like I've never seen these streets like this.
Yeah. Hey, let me grab. Let's see if hey, come here. Hey. Let's see if the rose garden is open. Hey, Max. Come here. All right. Hey, 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 Max. Come here. Like this car ain't never coming out. Hey, you want a free pepper? I'll take that. Thank you very much. Make dinner later. Phew, what the heck?
Street might be easier.
Okay.
Actually, no,
Okay. Wow. Look at that. Heck. If you hold on for a second, I gotta zip up my jacket. Yeah. Dropped my glove. Hey, 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 come here. Hey, hey, shh, 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 Max. Shh, 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 shh. You doing too much. See, Max, don't be speeding up. Hey. You don't need to be speeding up because you don't know how to act right. You do not know how to act right. Because I will pick you up. Hey! Take it easy. Take it easy. Hey, take it easy. You don't know how to act right. You don't need to be breaking your neck either. Looking back and stuff. Breaking your neck. Breaking your neck, breaking your neck. You don't need to be breaking your neck. Look back at it. You don't need to look back at it. Phew. This is not easy. This is, I feel like I'm trekking through the Arctic. Douche, 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 douche. I'm kidding, I'm sorry. Hey, sorry, Max. Come on.